Workers' compensation insurance protects the business and its employees if an employee is injured on the job or becomes ill due to a work-related cause, regardless of fault. It will cover medical expenses, lost wages, ongoing care costs, and even funeral expenses if an employee is hurt, becomes sick, or dies as a result of a work-related accident or illness. Most states require businesses to carry workers' compensation insurance. Even when it is not required, the business is still liable for the wages and medical bills associated with a workplace injury. All business owners with employees need coverage. Workers' comp premiums are primarily determined by the business classification, location of the business, and loss history. Premiums are calculated according to the type of work each employee is doing and the rate associated to the classification or type of work. An office worker may not take on as much risk as an electrician. The premium rate itself is expressed as dollars and cents per $100 of payroll for each class code. For example, a power line worker might be assessed premiums of as much as $3 for every $100 of annual payroll. But a business in a less risky business, such as a pet store owner, may pay only $1 per $100 of payroll. Controlling workers' comp costs through risk management can be the key to minimizing accidents and controlling increasing premium costs. White Slate Insurance is here to help you manage your premium in 3 ways. 1. Control the cost of each claim by managing each claim. 2. Implementing safety programs, including incentive programs. And 3. Implementing a strong return to work program. Workers' compensation is designed to compensate the employees, but there are some situations that occur on the job that are not covered. Bodily injury to an employee that is intentionally caused by an employer will not be covered. If an employee is intoxicated at work and is hurt, workers' comp will not cover the claim. Furthermore, if the employee is involved in a federal or state crime, their injuries will not be covered. Lastly, emotional trauma is not covered as a physical workplace accident. If an employee faces discrimination, wrongful termination, or any HR-related claims, workers' comp will not cover the claim. Employment practices liability insurance is designed to cover these types of workplace incidents. If your employees are driving for your business, commercial auto insurance will not cover their injuries. Over 40% of all workplace fatalities are vehicle-related accidents. Your employees are the pillar of your business. When accidents happen, you need to get them back to full health as soon as possible. At White Slate Insurance, we will help you do that. If you have any questions or would like to speak to a licensed insurance agent about your insurance needs, please contact White Slate Insurance at 817-809-4522 to set up an appointment today. At White Slate Insurance, we take a clean slate approach to your insurance needs.